Hey friends, this is Atif Opier and welcome to the new update on EOS coin. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that EOS recently broke out another down channel. And after that, we had a nice rally, but the price then was rejected by a long-term resistance of $1.35. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a daily time frame. And you can see that this was the channel that we broke out. And the technical target that I was telling you for this breakout was here at the top of the channel at $1.35. And by the way, over there, we already had a very long-term resistance as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $1.35 has been previously working at the resistance here, and again worked at the resistance here. And despite this long spike here, price and could not break it out, got rejected. Now we have broken down this very significant support zone that starts from 91.5 cents and goes to 80 cents. And now we are testing this very strong and long-term support of 51.7 cents. That was previously working as support here and resistance here for a few weeks. And now again, it can work as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my this trade setup that I shared on 1st of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish candle pattern that EOS formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 70% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it has been moving inside this down channel since after the month of March 2024 up till the month of September 2024. Had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, another bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And after the breakout, the price then dropped down, and then we had a nice pump. And here we had the target for the breakout from this candle that was at $1.35. That was a quite long-term resistance. Previously, this $1.35 has been working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and support here. And therefore, now again, it worked as a strong resistance. Therefore, despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. And right now, we are testing this very strong and long-term support of 51.7 cents. If we take a look at the previous history of this support, let me just show you on the 7-day time frame chart. Then you can see that this 51.7 cents had been previously working as a resistance here. And before that, for several weeks, it had been working as a support here as well. Now, this support line is broken down. That was from 91.5 to 80 cents. Therefore, now if we will have another reversal from here, then it can again work as a resistance for the price. And the previous support can be now flipped into resistance. If we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see that stochastic is again entered the oversold zone. Like previously, it was entered the oversold zone, then we had a nice reversal. Before that, it was entered the oversold zone here. Then we had another nice reversal, broke out the channel. Before that, when it was entered the oversold zone here, we had a short reversal here. Then we had a bigger reversal and broke out the wedge. And now it is once again entered the oversold zone. And once we will receive the bull cross like this fast line, the blue line will cross up the orange line, then we may see some price stability. And after that, the pricing can start another reversal on this 7 days time frame chart. However, in case of breaking down this support, the next support will be here. That will be approximately at 40 cents. And over there, the price then recently formed a double bottom as well. One bottom was before the breakout from the channel, another one was after the breakout from this down channel. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that as we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.